Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today's topic division 8.2 relationship of multiplication and division. Relationship of multiplication and division. How to do the relationship multiplication of and division? See. Relationship. Okay. See here. 5 multiply by 6. 5 6 are 30. Okay. If you divide it by 30 by 6 by 6, say 6 table 6 5s are 30, means you got here answer first factor. If you divide it by first factor means 5 6 are 30, you got there second factor, you got there second factor. Understand? All of you understand what is the relation between multiplication and division? Multiplication and division. All of you understand now? Now one more example. See, 2 8s are 16, means 16 divided by 2, 2 8s are 8 is answer. You got their second factor answer. 16 divided by second factor, you got their first factor. You got their first factor. All of you understand now how to do? Means if given you any multiplication sentence, you call that one multiplication sentence. You did their division sentence. You did their division sentence. Means division sentence which is equal to 5. You call this one division sentence. You call this one multiplication sentence. Okay. Open your textbook, page number 59. Now see, 2 8s are 16 given. 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2, and 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 2 8s are 16. All of you understand? Next one also same. 42 7 6 are 42. 42 divided by 7, you got their answer 6. 42 divided by 6, you got their answer 7. 21 divided by 3, got their answer 7. 21 divided by 7, you got their answer 3. Understand? All of you understand now how to do? E to J is your homework. E to J is your homework. Now write the missing number sign using division and multiplication fact. Okay. Here write the missing number, missing sign. Which sign? Multiplication, division, plus, minus, addition signs, difference sign. Okay. Now 45 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45. Next one given 8 dash dash 6 is equal to 48. 8 dash dash 6 is equal to 48. So which sign use here? Which sign use here? 8 6 are 48 na? So you use here multiplication sign. Now 10 dash dash 10 is equal to 1. 10 dash dash 10 is equal to 1. Which sign use here? 10 ones are 10. Which sign? Division. Okay. D1. 9 dash dash 7 is equal to 63. 9 sevens are 63. 49 divided by dash dash 7. In the 7 table, where 49, use here division to multiplication sentence. 49 means this one went here and this one come here. 7 multiplied by dash dash is equal to 49. 7 sevens are 49. So 49 divided by 7. 10 tens are 100 now. So use here multiplication sign. 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. 0 number divided by any number, answer is always 0. 70 divided by dash dash is equal to 10. 7 tens are 70. Divided by 10 is equal to 8 means 80. This one goes here. 8 multiplied by 10, 80. You got here answer 80. Dash dash multiplied by dash dash is equal to 81. Here is answer is 81. You want here first factor and second factor. You want here first factor and second factor. 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. Any one number divided by 0 divided by any one number, you got their answer always 0. Here also 0. And 98 divided by 1 is equal to 98. Means any one number divided by 1, answer is that number also. Now 8.3, division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. How to do? See. 8.3. Division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, see. $87 divided by 5. 87 divided by 5. First one, you remember this number what you call dividend. This number what you call divisor. Now, see here, when you divided any one number, that time you start from the left side. Start from the left side. Left side first number which? 8. Dividends left side first number which? 8 is there. Now divisor number which number? 5. Divisor number which number? 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. But 8 is a smaller than the 10. 8 is a smaller than the 10. So 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Next one number write down. Next one number write down. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40. 37 and 40 compare there. Which is the biggest number? 40 is their biggest number. 40 is their greatest number. So, you take here 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. Now 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. You call that one. This one is your quotient and this one is your remainder. This one is your remainder. Now how to check your answer? Formula is there na? Dividend is equal to divisor number multiply by quotient number plus remainder. 17 5s are 85 plus 2, 87. Both sides are same. This one and this one same na. So your answer is correct. So your answer is correct. Understand? Next one. Next one example we learn here. 75 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Now first see your first number. Which number is there? Dividend's first number 7 is there. Now how to do? 7 and 4 you compare there. 7 is the greatest number, so you take only first number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 7 and 8 compare there. 8 is the greatest number, so don't take there. Write there 4 4 ones are. What you say? First one number write on the quotient place. Minus 4 ones are 4. Answer right here. 7 minus 4, 3. And next one number carry down 5. 4, say 4 table. 4 9s are 36. 4 8s are 32. 36 is the greatest number with the 35. You compare the 35 and 36. Which is the greatest number? 36. So you don't take. 4 8s are 32. 32 is the smallest number. So take here. 5 minus 2, 3. 0. Here this one is a quotient and 18 is a quotient and remainder is a 3. How to write the number? Your answer is correct. How do you check? Dividend is equal to quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder plus remainder. 18 4s are 72 plus 3. 75. Both sides are same. Both sides are same. All of you understand now? Now open your textbook. Open your textbook. Question number 60. Find the quotient and remainder and check your answer. First one. 98 divided by 2. 98 divided by 2. First one number you take here. First one number you take. 9 first you take. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 9 and 10 number compare. 10 is the greatest number. So you come to the backward side of table. 2 4s are 8 is there. 9 and 8 compare there. 8 is the smallest number, so take there. 2 4s are 8. 18. 2 9s are 18. Here remainder is a 0 and quotient is a 49. Now check your answer. 98 is equal to Divisor multiply by quotient plus remainder 98. 9 to the 18, carry 1, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9. 98 is equal to 98. 98 is equal to 98. Next one. 86 divided by 5. 86 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. First one number which 8 is there. 8 and 10 you compare there. Your 8 is the greatest number, yeah, 10 is the greatest number, 10 is the greatest number, na? So you come to the backward side. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5, 3. Next number, carry down. 5 6 are 30. 5 7 are 35. 5 8 are 40. So which number you take? 5 7 are 35. Now 86 is equal to 5 multiplied by 17 plus 1. 85 plus 1 is equal to 86 is equal to 86. 86 is equal to 86. Next one. 96 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 1. 8 twos are 16. 96 is equal to 8 multiplied by 12 plus 0. 96 is equal to 96. Next one. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Now 68 is equal to 3 multiplied by 22 plus 2. 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6 plus 2. 68 is equal to 68. E2I is your homework. E2I is your homework. Now, question number 2. Divided, solve in your notebook. Divided, solve in your notebook. How to write? First you write there first you write here chapter name, then write page number 61, page number 61, write there question number 2, divided, solve in your notebook, write there first one number 62 divided by 3, write there, then solve 62 divided by 3, 3 twos are 6, 6 minus 6, 0. Next one number carry down. Now compare there 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Which is the greatest number? 3 is the greatest number. Now what you write here? 3 zeros are 0. And here got your answer. Understand? When one number remaining there, but that is the smallest number from the divisor, that time what you do? Zeros are right, minus 0 right, and then write that number also. Understand? All of you understand now? Now B1, 89 divided by 8. 89 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Here this is a question and this is a remainder. Next one, C1. 88 divided by 7. 88 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. This is a question and this is a remainder. Today's homework. Page number 59 and 60 and 61 completed there. Okay. Thank you.